Okay, so just to continue on, we looked the last day also at these laterites and podzols. Okay, so now what I want to do is, you have this document, we did our laterites, we did our podzols. Okay, we're going to look at the last two in just a moment, but first I want to bring your attention down to this page here titled Bahamian soils. We just kind of went through this here. Okay, first of all, so again, some of the characteristics of Bahamian soils: thin and patchy, limestone dissolves in rainwater, leaves little soil behind. Southern Bahamas are too dry or too exposed for soil to form. Okay, again, it gives bullet pointed versions of our organic, residual and sedimentary. Alright, and then down here I want you to highlight B, C, D and E and have a little arrow drawing up. These are the profiles for each one. So for example, sedimentary is quite easy. Okay, sandy soil. Draw an arrow up, you can see it's essentially two horizons. Alright, sand with some humus layer and then just sand. Alright, it's not rocket science. Okay, our residual, okay, we got the pine forest on top, you got the brown clay, and then we got our geology below, our limestone geology. Very simple. Okay, so there's the four of those match up. So let's just have, that's all our Bahamian soil is done. I just want to finish by going through our last two types of global soils. Okay, we talked about our laterites, which are found in the tropical rainforest. They're bright red. Humus decays very quickly, bringing nutrients into the soil. The podzols then are found in the cold parts of the world, coniferous forests, slow decay of vegetation, not many nutrients in the soil, and so on. The next one I want to look at is called chernozyms. Okay, they're found in grassland areas, so plenty of vegetation. Alright, characteristics: dark brown or black soils, okay, and a crumbly, if you pick it up, it'll crumble in your hands. Alright, grassland vegetation. Okay, next thing then is, leaching is not an important process. Because there's so much vegetation, it absorbs a lot of the water. So leaching is when water flows down through the soil, taking nutrients with it. So in horizon A, the top horizon is deep, it's very wide, and it's rich in humus. So the humus doesn't all get washed away straight away, it slowly mixes with the top horizon. Okay, this humus is also usually a black kind of sticky substance, so that gives it its dark brown or black colouring. Now, these soils are also very high in calcium. Okay, so the water and calcium mix through the soil and give it a different kind of composition. Alright, location: Canada, USA. You can highlight the words prairies and plains, or add that to your notes, please. Okay, this one I do want to highlight agricultural productivity. Okay, the soil is very fertile for grain crops. Okay, and then what cereal crops? What do we mean grain crops? Wheat, oats, barley, corn. Okay, so this is where we grow a lot of our food. We will look at a case study about what happened in the USA when they overused the soil and caused a huge famine. Alright, latisols then, similar to our laterites, they're going to be a red, reddy brown colour. And again, why? What do we know makes that red colour? It's those iron minerals. So soil that is rich in iron, okay, silica, they form in tropical areas again. Alright, they're very well drained soils, so they're in tropical areas where there's lots of rainfall and it's very well drained. The water drains down through these very, very well. Alright, for that reason, the minerals like iron or silica, alright, they break down quickly and they are leached. Okay, they're leached, they're drawn down through the soil. Alright, so the profile then, what about its horizons? Leaf litter is made of the plant cover. Okay, so there's plenty of leaf litter. The material decomposes quickly because it's in a very hot and very wet climate. It causes it to break down quickly. The nutrients though are picked up quickly from the plants, so there's not much left in the soil. Alright, horizon A is reddish, reddy yellow colour, mainly red. Alright, and heavy rainfall, again think of its location in the tropics where it rains a lot. Heavy rainfall leaches out the salts. Again, when that rain filters down, it carries away some of the minerals. Alright, location: savanna, equatorial regions will do. Alright, and that is the last of our 4 soil types. Now, as I said, there's no assignment today, but there's a lot of notes to be made, okay? And we'll continue after Easter with a couple of assignments, and soils should only take maybe one more week of lessons. All right, we'll do a short quiz and then on to our next topic. All right.